Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we did the drywall. We put the shelves up in the closet and bring you back to speed so you see exactly how far we got. So, we basically installed all the drywall. We did the texture. We started even painting already. As you can see. Then we sanded the texture on the ceiling, and the next step will be to give it a primer coat. So then out over here we installed the door to the garage. That got done. Over here we had a little bit of thing that we needed to fix up, so we're not gonna touch this for right now. The laundry room, basically everything is done in the laundry room. This area we don't bother too much because that's all going to be covered by cabinets all the way around. But besides that, laundry room is good to go. Hopping up over here into the powder room. Powder room as well, we're good to go. Pretty much the next step will be doing the tiles, cabinet and toilet and the door in here. Then coming to the master, we did all the painting in here. All the painting got done. We still have to cut it in, nothing crazy. All the painting is done in this closet. So on this, basically we're ready to put up the shelves and obviously the flooring before that. So coming into the master, we just finished pitching the floor for the shower. So basically the pen is ready, good to go. Now we're gonna put cement boards and then hopping onto the tiles. This whole area is all good to go. We painted this room, good to go for the flooring and cabinets. Cabinets are gonna come in 2 weeks, so the flooring will be the next thing. Over here, there's nothing too crazy to do. We're gonna put in the pocket doors next. All right, so on the fireplace, we framed for the electrical fireplace. We're gonna put an electrical fireplace in and cover it up with tiles. That's gonna be the goal for the fireplace. For this wall over here, we wanna do like an accent wall with wood trims and stuff. So we're gonna still hold on to that. Here as well, we did all the painting on the walls. We still need to cut in a little bit. Nothing crazy. In this room, we did the ceiling. Ceiling is all good to go. We still have to paint the walls. That's basically gonna get done today. And then we did all the shelves in here. As you can see, obviously they also need to be painted and all the good stuff. In the guest bathroom, not a whole lot of things got done, but one good thing, we finished installing the new tub. We plumbed for the new valve and stuff. We did a nice big and deep shower niche, and this is basically also ready to go for the tile. So over here, the header was off by 1 inch, so we basically reframed the header and we made the size bigger because we're gonna put a nice big closet doors, mirror closet doors, and then we did the shelves in here. So this is all primed. We still have to paint this with probably semi-gloss white or something like that. So in this room, basically it's all done, just small minor touch-ups, paint touch-ups, but besides that, we're basically all good up. Obviously those ones also need to be all painted with semi-gloss white, but besides that, that's probably the room that's going to be done the fastest. That's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. In the next video, we're going to be focusing on doing the floors in the laundry powder room and both bathrooms, as well as throughout the whole house. We're going to go with wood floor. So stay tuned for that. See you guys on the next one.